Oh, what's up? It's been a while, you know, you know, a while. But we're back, and because I lost my other YouTube channel in email, and can't bother to get it back. I've managed to find this, which I did lose over like 8 years ago. So we're here. Uh, we're here now, and we're just gonna roll with it, I guess. We're gonna be using this thing called Pixlr. So if you type in pixlr.com, it should come up as this, and you should be able to see things like Advanced Pixlr E or Playful Pixlr X. You can log in, you can do anything you want with this. This is basically a free online version of Photoshop, and it's very cool. I found this online, and all my mates use it now. It's really good. I really enjoy it. This is what I made to make the banner. What we're gonna do today is make my new Steam profile picture, in which I'm gonna show you later, but it's gonna be quite something. We're gonna be using Playful Pixlr X. If you're more advanced in Photoshop or anything like that, and you wanna play around with it with more advanced settings, use the advanced version. I recommend it. But for this, we're not really like doing anything too crazy. We're just making a profile picture. So we're going to use Playful Pixel RX. So we'll go into that now. Here we are. So we need to open an image. Okay, so let's say we go something like this for now. So if we want to save image, yeah, sure, we'll save it in pictures. We'll save it to a new folder called Pixel R. Might as well. So we'll go Pixel R, save as JPEG. Fine. So if we want to create new, we want a square shape. So we can go 1080 by 1080. We can do 360 by 360. Yeah, let's do 360 by 360 and then do it. So this is going to be our Steam profile picture. You'll know what that means. Here we are. So welcome to Pixlr. So we have already got ourselves an image. So if we're to add image, you click on this button down here. You can browse for one out of your PC. We've got one here, which is Deep Space. We're going to want to add it as the create new layer, like this. We want to edit view. Okay. So we go on to here. You open and you add current, so that you keep your square shaped layer, and you can customize where your image goes. So I kind of like this little streak going across here, so I'm gonna shove you there. Maybe put the star in the center. Maybe put it up here. We'll keep it there for now. We'll keep it there. The layer is still there. So in a new layer, we want to get one of our images. There he is, the beautiful man. We want to find the sexiest picture we can of Big Ed. Oh, that's... Oh, he really is a beautiful specimen. Oh, oh, Big Ed. So what we want to do is save this image. We're going to call it Big Ed, so we go where we've saved our Big Ed photo. They do pop up down here, which is always good. And then we again go on browse or URL or anything like that. We click on Big Ed, we open, we add to a current new layer, and we have it right here. we probably want to zoom into our image here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it looks like the zoom out bar is over here on the right hand side, which is pretty cool, pretty neat. It's fucking big. So what we want to do here is I'm going to decrease the speed, his size until I want, you know, if I know what I want. I kind of want him rotated like this. Oh, Big Ed. Oh, Big Ed. So we kind of want this kind of shape here of Big Ed. So we kind of want him to be a bit bigger, in my opinion. He needs to fill the space. That's perfect. Right. So if you want to cut out something, you click on this button down here, which is called cutout, not crop. Cropping is when you change the size of an image. To cut out something, to remove the background of something, you use this tool, and you can do shape cutout, magic cutouts, no idea, test it out, draw cutouts, and then lasso cutouts. So what I'm going to be doing is a lasso cutout. We want to keep what we're going to cut out, because we want to cut out Big Ed's head. Softness, not really bothered. Okay, make sure that the image over here has been selected, otherwise you're going to cut out any of your other images if they are selected. All I want is just Big Ed, so we just want this guy. There we go. So obviously there's all these bits and bobs around here that's gonna affect it, so we're going to try and cut out a little bit more. Okay, now we want to remove, maybe. Let's try and make Big Ed as beautiful as possible. Ah, fuck. I don't understand. Again, not satisfied. I'm not satisfied with the image. Oh, Big Ed, please. I love this guy. Second take. Okay, so let's delete this image and let's add a new one. Let's do all the stuff we were doing before, but this time for a better Big Ed. Oh yes, look at. Oh yes, 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 yes. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes.
What we do here is go back.
Perfect. We want the lasso tool. Here we go to keep. And here we go. I'm not happy with my cropping ability today. Let's go on the lowest sensitivity. How's that gonna how's that gonna cope? So we want to go from here. Oh, fucked it, we fucked it. Oh no. Oh no. We want to remove. Yes, there we go. We've finally done it. Oh, I love this. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. Oh, Big Ed, you're so fabulous. Is that the one? I think that might be the one. We do want him to be a little bit bigger though. We do want it. We want Big Ed. Oh, he's so beautiful. I love him. There we go. Big Ed. Oh, a little bit bigger. we have to respect the Lord and Savior that is Big Ed. So we want him there, and then we're going to have a supreme. So we want one of these. We want one of them in a PNG. Is that the one we want? So if we save image as Supreme logo, we save, we go onto here, we import image. Here we go. We do this, rotate it a little like that. Ah, magnifique. Oh, it's so beautiful, Ed. Filtering? I can't remember. But fringe, there you go. So here we go. So we want to select Big Ed and we want to fringe. Big Ed wants that. We also want to filter the Supreme sign. We apply that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Do we want to do that? we want this. we want to do a bit of fringing. We want yes, Hellmans. Yes, this is what we want. So we want mayonnaise PNG. What about this? Wait, it's a JPEG. Is this gonna do it? It's okay. Best thing ever. I don't know what I would have done. Oh man, I'm so happy. That scared the shit out of me. There we go. Might not be my best work, but it's something, isn't it? Now we just need to decide on whether we want these down here or up here. Let's try and get the background doing something. How's that? Is that alright? Should I change it up a bit more? Like that. Does that help? Is that good? What do you think? So we're going to save this. Steam profile pic. Nice, nice. Quality 100%. Are you joking? So we've got this, we've got that. Okay, we're going to download. There we go, it's downloaded, and we are going to go on Steam. We're going to view my profile. We're going to edit profile picture. Choose file. Let's go to pictures. See, is it on camera roll? Can't remember where I saved it actually. Maybe back. Pixlr. Nope. Back. Where did that save? Where did that save? Okay, so it's in downloads. So we go to choose file. We go to downloads. There it is. So if we open that. Upload. There it is. So save if we save changes. Go on to our friends list, and there it is. We've got it. So we're now up there with Big Brown Boy and the Asian. Jeez. Okay. I sincerely hope you enjoyed that little fuckfest that we just had. If you want any more like that, I can make a few more stuff on Pixlr. I'll be sure to leave a link.